To remove the wireless LAN board, first remove the TouchMat, the right rear cover, the left rear cover, the column assembly, the bottom rear cover, and the motherboard EMI shield. Carefully snap off the antennas from the board. Detach the screw securing the wireless LAN board in place. The board will pop up. Remove the board. To replace the wireless LAN board, angle the board into its motherboard slot at about a 30-degree angle and press down. Hold it down while replacing the screw. Reattach the wireless antennas to the board. White and black triangle labels on the antennas will match white and black triangles on the board to indicate which antenna should be connected to which port.